Good morning, sir. I'm Anya. I read 8th standard and I am from Next Step Global School, Madhaneri, Hisar. Today is our science exhibition. This is organized by our school and I also take part in this exhibition. And I prepared a model which is the human brain. Now I want to explain some lines about the human brain. The brain is the delicate organ which is protected by a layer called the skull. It has three main parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain is the uppermost part of the brain. It controls our reproductive system, our temperature and our heart rates. It has further divided into three parts. First, cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part in our human brain. It controls our thinking, our memory and our learning skills. Second, thalamus. It controls our movement. Hypothalamus, it controls our reasoning, our aptitude. Second, midbrain is the central part of the brain stem. It controls our sleep, our attention. Third, the hindbrain. It is known as the control center. Further, it is divided into three parts: cerebellum, medulla and pons. Cerebellum is the second largest part of a human brain. It controls the muscles. Second, medulla is also known as the brain stem and it controls our breathing and our heart rates. Third, the pons. It is present between the medulla and the midbrain. The brain is the root of the human intelligence. I do many efforts to make my model better. So I thankful to our director sir, principal sir, our science teacher Mandeep sir to settle this type of science exhibition for us. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. My name is Jatin. I read in 9th standard. Today I am going to tell you about my science model, and the topic of my model is plant cell. The cell is the basic unit of the life, and also cell is the structural and functional unit of our life. The cell is first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. This layer is known as plasma membrane.
Thank you guys
And it is made up of lipids and proteins, and this is cytoplasm. It is fluid-like substance and this is made up of water and ions. And this is mitochondria. This is also known as powerhouse of the cell because it has its own DNA. It releases the energy in the form of ATP. It is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It synthesizes the lipids for the plant cell. These are known as ribosomes. They synthesize the protein for the cell, and this part is known as chloroplast. It contains a photosynthesis pigment, chlorophyll, that captures sunlight and convert it into useful energy, and these are known as lysosomes because if any damage happen to the cell and repair is not possible, then they destruct themselves to save the cell, and their enzymes digest the cell. Now this is nucleus. This contains a genetic material called DNA located in the nucleolus of the nucleus, and it also operates the growth and division of the plant cell. And these all organelles functions are based on their shape and their sizes. Thank you and have a nice day, friends.
Sir, good morning ma'am. This is Vanshika.
I am Arav.
From 5th standard, we are studying Next Step Global School, Madhaneri. Today we are representing in science model first aid box. The help of science teacher Manisha ma'am, and and now we tell you about this model.
First aid box. A box containing equipment which give immediate help to given injured person before a doctor arrives. Use of first aid box. Bandage used for cover wound and any cut. Scissor used for cut the bandage length. Dettol used for clear the Dettol
Thank
used
you
for
guys
washing
for
the hands
watching
and
this video.
remove
Recently
germs.
we are hitting
Antiseptic cream
1000
used for
subscribers.
clear the wound.
Thank you a
Cotton used
lot
for
guys for
clear the
your
wound,
love
same
and
as well as
support.
antiseptic cream. Pain relief tablets. Thank you and great day.
From 5th standard, I study in Next Step Global School, Madanedi, Hisar. Today, I am telling you about my science model, water cycle, with the help of my science teacher, Manisha ma'am. And now, I tell you about water cycle. Water cycle shows the continuous movement of water within the earth and the atmosphere. Water in different phases move through in atmosphere. First, evaporation. Water evaporates from rivers, seas, ponds with the sun's heat in form of vapor. Then second, condensation. The water will condense to form clouds. Then third, precipitation. Below 0 degree, the vapor will condense into water droplets. When enough water droplets merge, it falls on the ground. We call that rain. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning all of you. My name is Anshika. I reading 6th standard. I study Next Step Global School, Madanedi. Our respected director, sir, principal, sir, our Mandeep, sir, organization science exhibition in our school. All students participated in it. I am also participated in it. I have prepared model of greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is the process of occurs when energy from a planet's host stars goes through its atmosphere and heat the planet's sources, but greenhouse gases in the atmosphere prevent some of the heat from directly rays resulting in the warm planets. Thank you. Have a nice day.
All of you, I am student of Next Step Global School, Madanedi, Hisar. Myself, Shubham from 7th standard. Today, my school organized a beautiful science exhibition. All students participate in the exhibition and make their model. As a student, I also participate in the exhibition and make human auxiliary system, kidney. Before I explain my exhibition model, I want to give a lot of thank you to our director sir, principal sir, and our one of the best science teacher, Mr. Mandeep Singh Sindhu sir, to setting a such target for us. Now we come on explanation. Exudation is the removal of all the toxic and unwanted waste product from the body. The kidneys. Kidneys are the bean-shaped organ that are situated either side of the spine, behind the ribs and below the belly. Each your kidney is 4 or 5 inches long. The kidney is job to filter the blood, maintain the right level of electrolytes to our body. All the blood of your human body pass into the kidney several times in a day. Now let me demonstrate by showing the working model of kidney. As you can see here, the kidney and the two part of kidney, that is right kidney and left kidney. These both are made by the millions of filtering units that are called nephron. Now let me show the working model of kidney. As you can see, water that we drink is mixed with the kidney and it filtered by the kidney, and the remaining waste converted into the urine and it's sent to urinary bladder through urethra, and we inject it as urine by ureter. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. I am a student of Next Step Global School. Today I prepared a model on human skeleton. Human skeleton is an important organ for the support of the body. Human skeleton also protects the internal organs. It protects the bone marrow with its cavities. The joint of neck and head is called pivotal joint. The joint of shoulders is called ball and socket joint. The joint of elbow is called hinge joint, and the longest bone of our body is called femur bone, and these are ribs. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning, all of you. My name is Nancy.
And my name is Diksha.
From 7th standard, we read in Next Step Global School, Madhanedi, Hisar.
Today, a science exhibition is organized in our school. We also participated in it.
And make the beautiful model of natural disasters.
The materials which we use to make it are
A thermocol sheet, some chart paper, color, cardboard, soil, stones, paper, and some other things to erupt the lava.
the natural disaster can cause loss of life and damage the properties.
Some of them are flood, cyclone, and volcano. Cyclone is a mass that rotates on the earth with a very low pressure.
Thank you
It also
guys
damages
for
all
watching
the
this
trees,
video.
plants,
Recently
all the
we are
transport,
hitting
and also
1000
damages the
subscribers.
houses.
Thank you a lot
A volcano
guys
is
for
also
your
very
love
harmful.
and
The
support.
molten magma comes out from the earth and damages the properties near the volcano. From this lava, the rocks are formed. We want to erupt this.
The molten magma from the earth like these. Flood is a very frequent disaster. It also damages all the plants, trees and houses. It causes by heavy rainfall and rapid snow melt.
Here we come in the end of our project.
So we say thanks to our principal sir, our director sir and Mandeep sir to setting a such target for us. Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Recently we are hitting 1000 subscribers. Thank you a lot guys for your love and support.
स्कूल में आए हो आप, आपने बच्चों ने एग्जीबिशन लगाया था, कैसा लगा आपको?
बहुत बढ़िया जी, बहुत बच्चों ने बहुत मेहनत की है, साथ में टीचर ने भी बहुत मेहनत की है, स्टाफ भी बहुत अच्छा है। हमारा लड़का सेकंड क्लास में, उसमें बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट देखी हमने इस स्कूल में डालने के बाद। बच्चा बहुत ही केयर करता है हर चीज़ में, पहले नहीं था, बहुत वीक था, अब बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट दिखती है हमें। और यहाँ पर आज आए हैं, सुबह से देख रहे हैं, बच्चों ने बहुत मेहनत की है, बहुत बढ़िया बढ़िया प्रोजेक्ट बनाए हैं, दिख रहा है बहुत मेहनत की है बच्चे।
क्या नाम आपका?
इला।
देखकर कैसा लगा?
बच्चों का एग्जीबिशन है, जो पहले तो मैं इनको धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा, जो प्रिंसिपल सर हैं, अपने डायरेक्टर सर हैं, और इन्होंने इतनी मेहनत करी है बहुत है। हमारा जो एरिया था, इस एरिया में ऐसा स्कूल हमने पहले देखा नहीं, और अभी जो इन एग्जीबिशन किया है, इतना बढ़िया परफॉर्मेंस है बच्चों का। खुद टीचर भी है, मैंने टीचरों से भी पूछा था, वो टीचर भी ये कह रहे हैं, पहली बार हमने ऐसा सुनने में मिला है, टीचरों खुद भी सीखने को मिल रहा है, टीचरों को भी। और बच्चे तो और भी एक्सीलेंट करेंगे और बहुत ही बधाई के पात्र हैं डायरेक्टर सर और जो प्रिंसिपल साहब हैं जो बहुत ही
School science exhibition was being held, and this exhibition is really very appreciating. On behalf of parents, I would like to say I saw the performances done by the students really very motivational and full of enthusiasm, and such a nice performance I had never seen in such an area. So I am highly impressed by seeing the hard efforts of the students as well as teachers. Thank you.
गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल। आज जैसा कि आपने देखा कि सभी बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छी प्रदर्शनी यहाँ लगाई है साइंस एग्जीबिशन की, और मैं तहे दिल से सबका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ, हमारे टीचर्स का और बच्चों का भी, जिन्होंने इतनी लगन से, इतनी मेहनत से, इतने अच्छे से एलोब्रेट किया है, और उनके अंदर जो स्पिरिट है, जो लगन है, वो दिखाई दी है एक साइंस के प्रति, एक पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट के प्रति नहीं, बल्कि ये लगन उनकी कंपटीशन की भावना को जागृत करती है। वो दिखाती है कि वो कितने अपनी पढ़ाई के प्रति कितने सचेत हैं और किस तरीके से वो यहाँ एफ़र्ट्स कर रहे हैं, स्कूल के एफ़र्ट्स विजिबल हो रहे हैं। हर बच्चा कुछ न कुछ सीख रहा है। आज सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी इस बात की है कि हर बच्चे से, जितने भी बच्चों ने मॉडल्स बनाए हैं, हर बच्चे से आप उनके एक्सप्लेनेशन को अच्छे से पूछ सकते हैं। ये नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक नॉलेज नहीं, बच्चों को प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज जागृत करने की कोशिश की है, और हर बच्चा बहुत अच्छे से काम कर रहा है।
First of all, I would like to thank our director sir, principal sir, because जो प्लेटफॉर्म इन्होंने बच्चों को आज दिया है, इस लेवल पे मैंने 2-3 स्कूल में पहले भी पढ़ाया है, बट जो प्लेटफॉर्म यहाँ पे बच्चों को मिल रहा है वो पहले नहीं मिलता था। और इनका जो प्रैक्टिकल एप्टीट्यूड है और जिनका हार्ड वर्क है, और इनके हार्ड वर्क के पीछे अकेले टीचर्स की मेहनत नहीं है, उसके पीछे इनके जो पेरेंट्स हैं उनकी मेहनत बहुत मैटर करती है। और हम आगे भी ऐसा ही करते रहेंगे, ऐसी एग्जीबिशंस, एक्टिविटीज़, और बच्चों का जो मेंटली ग्रोथ और प्रैक्टिकल जो ग्रोथ है उसको आगे लेके जाएंगे, और लेवल को हम डे बाय डे इंक्रीज करते रहेंगे। थैंक यू टू ऑल।
First of all, on the behalf of Next Step Global School family, I thanks all parents, all students, all my staff. आज जैसा कि आप सभी ने पता है कि आज नेक्स्ट स्टेप ग्लोबल स्कूल के अंदर साइंस एग्जीबिशन हुई थी, जिसमें हर बच्चे ने बहुत अच्छी तरह से पार्टिसिपेट किया। और यही नहीं, बिल्कुल हर बच्चे का जो टैलेंट्स था, इनर टैलेंट था, वो दिखकर वो उभर कर आया है। और इस टाइप के जितने भी प्रोग्राम हैं समय समय पर स्कूल करता रहता है। मैं सभी स्टाफ मेंबर्स को, खासकर प्रिंसिपल सर को, साइंस टीचर्स को और बाकी सभी स्टाफ मेंबर्स को और सभी स्टूडेंट्स को इस चीज़ का धन्यवाद मानता हूं, और उन सभी का थैंक्स करता हूं, और साथ ही पेरेंट्स का भी थैंक्स करता हूं कि उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से बच्चों को बढ़ चढ़ कर इस पर पार्टिसिपेट किया। इस एग्जीबिशन में उन्होंने हर एक्टिविटी में, हर मॉडल्स के अंदर प्रैक्टिकल जो नॉलेज थी वो दिखाया, और अपना इनर टैलेंट था वो बाहर निकला। समय समय पर हम स्कूल के अंदर इस टाइप के ऐसे कई प्रोग्राम करते रहते हैं जिसमें बच्चों का इनर टैलेंट निकल कर बाहर आता है। मैं पुनः उन सभी स्टूडेंट्स का, टीचर्स का और अभिभावकगण का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ। थैंक्स।